This video is going to be really important, so make sure to watch it until the end and to understand everything that I'm saying, because I need to clarify some stuff. All right, so you guys know that, first of all, if you do not know me, my name is Mangunza, and I release videos daily right here on YouTube about selling on Amazon. Right, so subscribe and like this video if you want to get more videos like this. But you need to understand something. Ever since I've been releasing daily videos for 1 year and a half. At the end of this month, it's going to be 1 year and a half, right? It's a lot of work. It's not really the part that is actually recording the videos and all that. It is actually a lot of work for me. But like, you guys have a huge backlog of free videos to learn how to run this business, to start, run and scale this business. You have everything that you need, right? It's just that it's a lot of content to consume, and I'm aware of that. But you need to understand that at the beginning of my journey, I was helping a lot of people for free because I had the time to do it. I actually enjoy helping people. However, as time passes, I have more and more, like, my time is getting really, like, I don't have a ton of free time anymore, and I don't have as much free time as I had to do this anymore because I have a shit ton of things to do. All right, and so I'm not saying that in a way to disrespect people and all that stuff, but there's really one thing that you need to understand, and you need to understand the order of priority that I have in my life when it comes to actually running my businesses, right? And so the first thing that I'm going to prioritize all the time is my businesses. Okay, so my businesses, my Amazon business, the other things that I do, my personal brand, all that stuff. This is going to be my first priority. My second priority is going to be, and it's part of my first priority because it's in part of my business, but it's going to be taking care of people that are in my mentorships, my paid mentorships, of course, people that are using my products, tactical arbitrage, arbitrage stalker, the target list. And so, if you actually, like, it's actually my first priority because it's my business in the same way, right? But it's going to be this, and then it's going to be my family, my personal life, and all that stuff. And like, it's actually first, but like, you get what I mean. These are my 3 priorities. And with those 3 priorities, I don't even have a ton, like, I don't have a lot of time to do other things, right? And so you need to understand that if you want some help, if you want some free help, you get my videos. All the free videos that I release are for you, okay? I don't have the ability to give everybody, because at the beginning it was easy for me to actually give support to everybody, but I don't have the ability to actually give free support, free mentorship and all that stuff to people, because now my schedule is full, and I already have a ton of people that are paying, that I'm taking care of every single day myself, answering questions and all that stuff. And so if you want that level of support, you need to come to the Discord, not to the Discord, sorry, you need to come to my mentorship, right? My paid mentorship. This is the reason why we have this, okay? So, because I have a lot of people sending me message on Discord, wanting to add me on Discord. I do not accept friend requests on Discord because I will be overwhelmed because of that thing, right? That open tickets, asking specific questions about selling on Amazon, sending leads for review and all that stuff. You need to understand something. I used to do lead reviews for free, but you need to understand that lead reviews is something that takes a lot of time, and this is something that I just do for people in my mentorship. Like, I don't do it for free anymore because it takes a lot of time, and like, I do it every day I have leads to review. I look at leads that people send me, and not only I need to do it for my team or for the VAs that I train, because also one of my priorities is actually to train my VAs, right? So I'm doing it for my VAs, the VAs that I train. I do it for people in my mentorship. I look at their leads, and tell them if I greenlight them or not, and it takes a ton of time. So the thing that I really want you to understand with this video is this, okay? I cannot offer, and I'm saying it with as much respect as I can, I cannot actually mentor you for free because it's something that takes a ton of time. I don't have the free time to do this, and you need to understand that if I'm actually doing this, it's going to take time away from me for one of those three things, okay? My business, my customers, or my family and the people that I want to, my friends and family, right? So this is why you need to understand that if I'm telling you, like if you receive a message either from me or from people on my team, either on the Discord server, all that stuff that is telling you, like, I'm sorry, but I cannot do that. It's not because I want to act a certain way or I want to be mean. It's just that you need to understand that at the end of the day, if I do this, it's going to take time away from me and my friends and family. Like, I'm going to take time away from my friends and family. And so it's not possible because I actually need to spend time. Like, I do not want to take more time to do this. You need to understand. This is something that I really want you to understand, right? So the truth as well, and one of the reasons that actually, because I actually realized this is something that I went to realize a couple of weeks ago, because the more my brand is growing, the more people are starting to be rude when asking stuff, okay? Not even saying hi, like just asking stuff right away, not even saying thanks when you answer. And so the truth is that, I don't mind helping people. This is why I make these videos for free, okay? But like if you are not on my mentorship, if you are not willing to either get on a one-on-one call with me, okay? Because yes, it's paid, I do not do one-on-one calls for free. So if you are not willing to get on a one-on-one call with me or get on my mentorship, the only thing that I can do for you is request a video on a subject and I'll make the video available. But like, you need to understand that, and I'm offering help for free every single day on the Discord server. If you actually come on the Discord server, I'm answering a ton of questions all the time. I'm always answering questions everywhere on every channel. And so, like, it's the closest thing that I can do. Like, the closest thing that I can do, ask questions on the Discord server, ask them publicly. Do not ask me to add you on Discord. I will not do it, okay? I will not add you on Discord because I get overwhelmed with DM already on Instagram. It's not like I have a huge brand, but I get overwhelmed with DMs on Instagram. I get overwhelmed, and this is why from the beginning I did not accept friend requests on Discord, because I know that this was going to be the way that it is. Like, we have close to 1,000 members on the Discord server. If I were to add everyone, I would have no time, and it would be impossible for me to actually navigate my inbox on Discord, right? So this is one thing that you need to understand. My priority is going to be the customers first, and I'm always going to be on the Discord answering questions as well publicly. But remember that if you ask a question, ask it, because back in the days I used to accept question in the ticket. Okay, you can open a ticket. You can open a ticket right here by clicking here and clicking here. I used to accept question over there. But like, you need to understand that if we do something like this, if I do something like this, like the question that you ask and the answer that you're gonna get, first of all, like if you ask in general, if you ask in the public channel, other people are going to be able to chip in, and so the requirement on my time is going to be lower. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that people that ask this question in the future can just use the search feature and find an answer to their question if it was asked already in the past, So this is something that I want you to understand. The only thing that I'm really asking you with this video is, I need you guys to understand, you need to be respectful of my time. I'm still spending a couple of hours a day working to give you guys free content. I'm still spending a lot of hours a day answering people for free, okay? Which I could not do that and put all that time towards my friends and family, right? Which I'm not doing. I'm spending a lot of time still creating all this content for free, all these things for free for you guys. So the only thing that I'm really asking you is, like, I really want you to understand that, especially, like, if you're not in my mentorship program and you end up having my phone number, or if you were past somebody that, because if you went on a one-on-one with me, it's fine, okay? You have my phone number, but like, otherwise, like, if you are not in my mentorship group, or if you've never actually took a one-on-one call with me, do not text me for stuff, because it's taking time away. I receive a ton of questions a day, and go through the other channels. So either the YouTube comments, or the best way to actually get an answer for somebody is on the Discord server. I will probably answer if you I will definitely chip in, you know, if somebody does not give you a full answer, I'm reading everything on the Discord server. But like, this is something that I want you to understand. If you end up with my phone number, do not text me if you are not in my group mentorship, or if you never took a one-on-one call with me. Do not text me privately. Like, you need to understand something. This is not, and especially, you know, I recorded a video last week on that. I think it was last week. I don't know when this video is going to be released because I'm traveling and I'm recording this video in advance. But like, I actually recorded a video last week. Like, you need to understand, like, all these things, it's not free support, okay? Especially if you come on the Discord server, it's not free support. It's not, the Discord server is not free support, free Amazon support from Chris Mangunza. That's not what the server is. The server is a place where people can actually help each other, and me included. I will chip in and I will actually help you, but it's not free support from Chris Mangunza. And you are expected, if you receive some value from the Discord server, from people, either from myself or from other people, pay it back, pay it forward to help the next person that actually needs help on the Discord server, right? And so this is why I like to keep these things over there. If you need more help, specifically from myself, you can get on the one-on-one coaching, okay? You can get on the one-on-one coaching. That's the way to do it if you want help just from myself on really specific stuff to scale your business. If you want more help to scale your business and build a network of people, get on the group coaching. The group coaching right now is closed, except if you are willing to pay 3 months in advance and do the thing that is on the Discord that I told in a previous video. I'm going to reopen the because this is on waitlist right now. Except if you want to do it this way, then you can go this way. But right now the group coaching is on waitlist because I don't have a ton of time. I don't have a ton of free time. This is the biggest thing that you need to understand. I don't have a ton of free time, right? So I really need you guys to understand this. If you need some help, Discord server. If you want some free help, ask questions publicly on the Discord server. Leave a comment, because sometimes people reply to comment, and I read all comments, not as often as I used to, but I read all comments and I reply to them. And if you want more help, get on my coaching. That's it. I really need to understand this. Do not expect to have free access to my time. Okay, do not expect free access to my time, because this is not how it's going to work. Free access 24/7 to my time if you are not on one of my program. This is not how it works, okay? And I really want you guys to understand this, and I really want you guys to understand that if I'm giving you this free time, okay, if I'm actually giving you this free time, it's going to take time away from my friends and family, and I do not want to do this. It's not like I'm absolutely chasing money and all that stuff, but like, my time needs, if I take money away from my family and friends, it needs to be worth it, and I need to be able to have something in return. But I'm still spending a ton of time, as I said, I'm still spending a ton of time on free content for you guys, and this is the free part of what I do. This is how I'm actually paying it back forward to the community, okay? The community that I learned a lot of stuff for free on YouTube. I never purchased a course, you know, and that's how I actually paid back, okay? So hopefully you guys understand this. No disrespect to anybody, it's just to clarify things up, okay? So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.